Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to add a payment method on the Booking.com app. So let's dive in. First, open the Booking.com app on your device and log into your account. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. From the menu, find Payments Info and then go to Payment Methods. Next, tap the Add Card button. You'll be asked to enter your card details including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double-check the information to ensure everything is correct. Once you've entered the details, tap the Save Card button. Your payment method is now securely stored, making future bookings quick and hassle-free. And there you have it. Here's how to add a payment method on Booking.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.